Here's Drake. He's just happy and kicking away. He's in a really good mood. Yeah, can you show everyone how you can kick all over? Yeah. Kick. There he goes. Thought you were gonna be camera shy. Oh yeah, you just love kicking those legs, don't you? Yep, pretty soon after he's done kicking, he'll just zonk out and fall asleep. It's a lot of work to kick like that. Can you say hi? Oh, you're a crazy boy. Yeah, you're getting pretty crazy. You're pretty silly. Oh, are you getting tired now? No, you still got some more energy? Oh, go. Go. Oh, it's getting so big. It's 3 months old now and just getting bigger every day. Oh, oh boy, are you gonna smile? Huh? Can you talk? Huh? Or are you too busy kicking? Are you too busy kicking? Yeah. Oh. You just have a lot of energy. You're gonna hurt yourself. Yeah. Maybe you're gonna be a swimmer. You just like kicking. That's what you do in the bathtub. You just splash around, don't you? Yeah. You love your bath time. You just kick and splash. Yeah. Oh, there goes your silly dog. That won't stop you. Will it? Nope, you don't even hear him anymore. Oh. He's getting a nice belly on him these days. He's got his daddy's caddy shirt on. Daddy thinks he's gonna be a golfer like him. We shall see. You gonna be a golfer? Huh? Oh, you gonna look away from me? Huh? cheeks. Do you know anything else? Huh? Anything else we need to tell Grandma and Grandpa? Everyone else watching you be a crazy boy. Can you say bye? Yeah, bye-bye.